My beloved brother and sister and viewers, how are you? I hope you all are fine, but I am not well because currently the Middle East has now become bomber munition factory. So a lot of people are dying there. May Allah protect them. They are helpless. They are helpless. I request to everyone, pray for them. Pray for them. I don't want to see. I don't want to see war. I want to see stop war. I want to see stop war. May Allah stop the war.